Your Excellency, the reason why this question is relevant is because you've actually not answered it. What Sifuna said, we have about 34 commercial banks in Kenya. If I was to ask you today to give me a proposal, an offer which was given by Sidian Bank, Citibank, Kenya Commercial Bank, and all these other banks. And the reason for that is that Sidian Bank is known to be a bank owned by individuals who are Kenyans who owned it just recently. And all these individuals are actually in government. That your decision, Governor, just let me ask you. This is what Nairobians are talking about. No, let me ask you. Don't be defensive. Thank you. What I'm asking, it said that this bank is owned by some people in government, and the decision you took, the owners of Sidian. Okay. You want me to give you the C12? You see, he's telling me where watch.
No, produce the CR12.
Yeah, so let me ask my question. I don't know how all these guys are being defensive.
Order members, I think...
members, let me ask my question. This is the question. Are you sure that if you were to consider what other commercial banks are offering, that Sidian would actually be offering this purely on a business basis and not because of the connections of the owners? That's really the point. Yeah. And I'm not accusatory. I'm just trying to ask if the evidence...
Can I answer?
Yes.
Okay. They have given us the best deal.